Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the journey of Joseph Vijay, a tribute to Talapati Vijay.
Yeah, so this is actually birthday special, but we got a lot of requests for doing
Yes.
this video. This is basically the journey of matlab small
Talapati Vijay,
clips
yes.
of Talapati Vijay's skills, acting scenes, and some movie
Right.
scenes. If I'm not wrong, right?
Yes.
So yes, that would be very exciting because we all know that Talapati Vijay's movie.
Yes.
Every movie
I think it will
has
consist
its
from
own
the beginning, how he
beginning.
started into his career,
His
into,
career
the
into the film
and
industry.
then how he
Correct.
grew up so large, so
Yeah.
big, how
Yes.
he achieved that position. I think those things it will cover.
Yeah, so we got a lot of requests to do this
Yes.
video reaction, but we couldn't do eventually. You all know that.
Yes.
So we are now clearing out all of the pending list. So this is on top of that list only.
Yes.
So yeah, chalo shuru karte hai. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும் சொல்லுமா
Okay.
எனக்கு பின்னாடி நிறைய அவமானங்கள் சினிமா சில பாராட்டுகள்
That's remembering.
Awesome.
ரொம்ப வருஷம் கழிச்சு சேம் ஏர்போர்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது அங்கே இந்த மெசேஜ் வந்து அது இங்கே வந்துடாதீங்க சொன்ன பிறகு வாங்க என்ன நான் கேட்டா ஒரு நடிகர் வந்துட்டு இருக்காரு அவருடைய ஃபேன்ஸ் எக்கச்சக்கமா இருக்கு அவங்க வந்து
Huge fans.
போயிட்டோம் அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க வாங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும்
This is awesome.
Yes, this signature.
Awesome.
நண்பா நன்றிகள் யாரா நீ என் பேர் ஜெகதீஷ் கதிரேசன்
Signature is that also. Putting feet. Action.
That is also
Yes.
signature.
ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஒரு மாதிரி கியூட்டா ரொம்ப அழகா பண்ணுவார்
இது ஒரு நல்ல கேக்
ஐசி மூம சொல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க ரியல் லைஃப்ல கொஞ்சம்
Man of expression.
Yes. Exactly. He has a lot of expressions, right?
Yes.
See, it is all dance expression.
சும்மா சொல்லக்கூடாது உங்க பொண்ணோட அந்த ரெண்டு
கண்ணை சொல்லுது கண்ணு
நீங்க அழகா இருக்கீங்க.
அவர் க்ளோஸ் போய்ங்க வெக்கப்பட்ட ரொம்ப அழகா இருப்பாங்க பாருங்க
Shy guy. His faces are blushing when he
Yeah.
sees any girl.
Yes. That is the power of expression. Like he is expression guru,
Right.
man of
Man of
romance.
romance.
He is like very cute sometimes.
விஜய் ஃபேன்ஸ் வர்சஸ் பிஜேபி கேடர் நடிகர் விஜய்க்கான ஆயிரக்கணக்கில் அவருடைய
Wow. That's versatile. A lot.
Every channels like.
தலைவா திரைப்படம் தவிர்க்க முடியாத சில காரணங்களால தமிழகத்தில் ரிலீஸ் ஆகல என்னுடைய பிகினிங் ஸ்டேஜில் என்னை பற்றி வந்த கமெண்ட்ஸ் விமர்சனங்கள் இதெல்லாம் வந்து மறைக்கிறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லை உங்க எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்ச விஷயம் தான் அவ்வளோ ஈஸியால் இந்த உலகத்தில் நம்மளை வாழ விட்டுற மாட்டாங்க போட்டு ஒரு வழி பண்ணுவாங்க நாலா பக்கத்துலேருந்து போட்டு நம்மள ஒரு
ப்ரெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க, வேறு வழியே இல்லை.
Stuff time.
அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி தான் நம்ம வந்தாகணும்.
பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவர் கேரளா ஸ்டார்டிங் வந்து அவ்வளோ ஒரு மேலே 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 அடி விடுவோம். ஆனால் எந்த இடத்துல நிற்காம அடுத்து அடுத்து அடுத்த ஒரு இடத்துல நின்று
25 வருஷமா ஒரு இரும்பா ஒரு பட்டறைக்குள்ள போய் மெல்ட் ஆகி சுத்தி எல்லாம் அடி வாங்கி இன்னைக்கு ஷார்ப்பா ஒரு
Emotional
கத்தியா
times.
சில பாராட்டுகள், பல விமர்சனங்கள். என்னுடைய முதல் படம் நாளைய தீர்ப்பில் நடித்தேன். ஆனால் அந்த படம் என்னை கைவிட்டுருச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ரசிகனை நம்பினேன். அந்த படமும் என்னை கைவிடல. இன்னி வரைக்கும் என் ரசிகன் என்னை கைவிடல.
இளைய தளபதி விஜய்
He beat all the criticisms.
விஜய் கிடைச்ச அந்த விமர்சனங்கள்லாம் எப்படி இவர் ஏற்றுப்பாரு அப்படின்ற ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் க்ரோத் ஆஃப் an actor. நல்ல மனது அவருக்கு இருக்கின்றதா அது.
விஜய் சார்
இளைய தளபதி விஜய்.
இளைய தளபதி விஜய்
இவருடைய படங்கள் தான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து திரையரங்குகளுக்கெல்லாம் தீபாவளியாக இருக்கும்.
That's super huge.
Vijay is amazing. He's a very kind, he's a very gracious person.
He's very down to earth.
அவரோட ஸ்டேஜ்
நாங்கள் என்றைக்குமே எதிர்த்து
தோல்ல கை போட்டு பேசுவாரு, தோல்ல கை போட விட்டு பேசுவாரு.
இது முதல் விருதும் அல்ல, இதோட நிற்க போறதும் இல்லை.
People give this icon of Tamil cinema. Vijay.
Kill them with your success, bury them with your smile.
That is super.
Wow.
Wow.
நான் எதிர்வரிசையில் இருப்பேன், எதிர்க்கட்சியாக கேள்வி கேட்பவனா.
Power fans. Right?
Wow.
Feel the power.
It's the power.
உலகத்திலே உழைச்சவங்களை மேடையில வச்சு அழகு பார்க்குற ஒரே முதலாளி ரசிகன் தாங்க. வேற லெவலுங்க, நீங்க வேற லெவல்.
Vera level.
25 வருஷம் கழிச்சு
This was awesome.
Awesome.
இந்த பொங்கல் நமக்கு சூப்பர் கலெக்ஷன்மா.
It is edited
Wow.
by Tamil TJ, right?
Yes.
That was
Outstanding.
Okay.
Yeah. They have done fabulous job.
Fabulous.
They have
I am
matched up.
feeling a little bit emotional because to think about a ordinary person to reach out to this level where millions, billions of fans are
Yes.
can sacrifice their life literally
Right.
to see one
Glimpse
jhalak,
of him,
glimpse of
yes.
him. It is outstanding and very inspirational. If you want to achieve something, you can.
Right.
You just have to be put your 100%, do whatever you want, and you will get the success. And that is the
That is a
appropriate
true
example.
example here. He is showing. He's setting a big
Very,
example also. Like he has a lot of failures in his life.
Yes.
He seen lot of the downs, and
Ups and
after that only he came up with a lot of the powers, and now see the position he has reached.
He has
He has
reached.
achieved everything right now.
Everything. Samman, respect.
Respect,
Okay,
everything,
then
money and everything.
love, money, everything, awards, what not.
Right.
Like एक इंसान को सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए जो भी चाहिए, he has everything, and
Everything.
that is the most inspirational
And most
thing.
important thing is that he
Ah.
has a lot billions of fan base.
Fan base, okay,
That is the main thing
that
you
is
can
the
get.
main thing. Yes, देखो पैसा कमाना बहुत मतलब आसान है, ठीक है, पैसा कोई भी कमा सकता है,
That's true.
but in this way if you are earning money, respect
Respect and
love
fans.
of fans, that is the most important thing, and
Yeah.
that is why we love Talapati Vijay sir a lot, because he has achieved that position with his acting skill, with his down to earth nature,
Right.
with his he is very gracious person, he is
Contribution
very
to the
good person.
industry, not only to industry but
Correct.
also to the society.
To the
He
society.
has helped a lot of the poor. He
Ah.
has given a lot of the things and supported them a lot.
Supported them a
Those
lot.
things has truly helped him a lot to achieve this
Correct.
position.
Correct. He's a significance of, I think, every human being,
Right.
and he's a significance of all the actors, not only in Tamil but also in some other
Yes.
industry like Bollywood. They should learn like how to behave, okay, how to act. He is the symbol of
Right.
everything.
And
Okay,
he's also
whether
setting the example also, like if you are anytime you are feeling down that you are not getting success, you are
Correct.
not growing, just watch this guy, read his story script, how he has grown till this level.
correct.
You will be surely going to inspire yourself
Surely.
itself.
Yes, that audio launch, some of the audio
Yes.
launch he was telling like कि आगे बढ़ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं है, मतलब don't think about the
Whatever has
bad
happened,
times,
bad
so
times.
the old times, just do your 100% and give. Even in the Kutti story also, so
Right.
much
That,
motivational quotes,
motivational quotes, and also
very much.
a lot of the clips was there that was picked from his personal
his
life.
personal life, yes.
Yes.
कि क्या don't worry Nanaba, everything will be all right. मतलब it's very good यार, मतलब
Right.
I am mesmerized today and I am feeling a little bit emotional that it is very good, the best mashup
Yes,
I think we have
they
ever seen.
They have given a
till date.
perfect tribute. with
Perfect
this video.
tribute, yes. This is very good, and that now I can understand why people are kept on requesting us to
Yes.
give the reaction, and we are blessed that you guys have suggested, and
Yes.
we are now reacting on this particular clip. This is outstanding.
Yes, true.
Made superbly. Tamil TJ, you have done a great job and we are extremely proud of you. Okay, this is not an easy task to create this kind of touchy mashup. This
Not
is very touchy.
In this mashup, it consists of everything, like bad
Everything,
time, good
हाँ.
times, his romance, how he behaves while
Yeah.
he is doing a romance and all.
Correct. His
how
expression.
how he is
हाँ,
emotional, everything, it was
everything.
there.
Everything. He's an expression guru
Yes.
that we know, and I really like some of the smiling faces of Vijay sir, some naughty kind of faces when some heroine is coming, he's
Shy
shy
kind of
but
shyness, yes.
still a naughty,
Naughty
blushing,
cuteness,
very
cuteness
cute.
was there. Yes.
मतलब मैं बोली थी पहले भी, I think I have already told this thing in some old video that if some guy is like making this kind of face, any girl पट जाएगा, okay, any girl will be like okay, yes, I love you too will say. So he is capable of giving that kind of expression,
Yes, right.
which is priceless, and he's a great action king also.
Action king, dancer,
Everything. Dancer,
his body is too
singer.
much flexible.
He's
and singer,
very
yes,
good.
of course,
Singer,
I will miss that also. He is
हाँ.
good singer as well.
What not?
Yes.
What not? He's versatile.
I love the Kutti story song.
He is outstanding, man. He's the pride of India. So several times we have told this thing, and this video, if you have not watched yet, just go and see the original video, and you can definitely relate our expression,
Emotions.
our emotions, whatever we are saying, you can definitely relate. That is why we always tell to our friends that always see the original video, then you can relate
Relate.
our
Yes.
expression, our
Exactly.
reviews.
This is what we do in our reaction channel.
Correct.
Original video, how we are reacting, what expression we are giving, we are showing to you guys.
Yes,
So
true,
you can
true.
also correlate also.
Correct.
And sometimes if you feel also that you are watching any video alone, don't feel like that. We
Yes.
are with you.
Yeah.
We will watch with you guys.
So yes, Talapati Vijay sir, you are a rocking person, and
Yes.
that video is outstanding. Okay, this is a 10 on 10, and we are extremely happy that we are seeing this video with you all.
Yes.
So yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from BBNC Binu, and he's commenting on Villain movie official 4K trailer reaction, and he's commenting this movie was released before Ratsasan. Villain was released in 2017. It is a different kind of movie, maybe one of its kind. The movie is an emotional drama and not a suspense thriller. I guess there is a Hindi dubbed version is available in YouTube if you want to watch.
Okay.
So yeah,
But yes, whatever
we
we have
told that
seen
the storyline will be different. We
a
already
little bit
told
different,
that.
but yes, it was with the trailer, whatever we have seen,
The
it was
trailer,
looking like that thrilling kind of
Yeah.
feeling we were getting.
Actually, it is not a thriller movie. मतलब a lot of guys
guys
have
have
told,
told
you
that,
guys
right?
already have told that this is an emotional drama. But to be very frank, the trailer was looking very similar to Ratsasan, like the dropping doll, and you know
Right,
some of the
music
camera
and
angle,
all.
the music, some slow kind of thrilling kind of
Yes.
music was there. So that is why we thought. But we told that the storyline must be different. The
And also,
storyline will not
we
be
were
same.
comparing with Ratsasan just because that we have seen Ratsasan and this trailer we are watching.
Trailer, just only the trailer. But yeah, emotional drama, that means it would be a very good, you know, concept and movie also. So definitely YouTube mein Hindi version hai, he's telling. So definitely we can see and share our review with you all. So thank you so much Bibin for commenting and for watching our video.
So the second comment for today is from Kaushik Kanang, and he's writing his comment on Friends comedy scene reaction part 2, and he's saying that if you know Tamil, you would have laughed even more. Many comedians crossed dialogues. Yes, I think sometimes it
That-
happens
the
because
sad
yes,
part.
the expression or whatever we have seen in this clip, it was outstanding. I think 70 to 80% we were able to guess what it was happening in this scene. So,
But we don't know Tamil, and to be very frank, you know, I heard that Tamil is a very tough language. Okay, so we don't know the tongue twisting and the procedure of, you know, speaking. It is very tough, but yeah, I have a plan to learn Tamil once in my life because I'm doing Tamil videos, giving reactions on this, and I really enjoy the storyline, the emotions. I just want to correlate like what they are saying and what kind of, you know, emotions are coming,
right.
because
original
that is
person
very
will
true.
have
Original,
that original
seeing
emotion
the
you will
dubbed, it is not giving that, you know, level of emotion.
that's
But that is true actually. And yeah, you guys always told that Vadivelu sirs or Vijay sir, sometimes the comedy scenes are even more funnier in the real language, Tamil language. But what to do? We have to, you know, do in this way only.
Right now, no
we
choice.
just have to learn. So yeah, definitely we have a plan to learn it, and yeah, till then we have to, you know, काम चलाने के लिए ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा.
we have to continue with this
So
one.
yeah, thank you so much Kaushik for commenting and for watching our video.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Rahul Kannan, and he's writing his comment on Villain movie official trailer reaction, and he's saying, hey guys, do you know this Mohanlal sir Akka Laletan was a 2-year state wrestling champion in Kerala and also holds a black belt in karate.
Wow.
Okay, wow. Is it?
No, we didn't know.
Seriously,
actually.
we didn't knew about this one. And of
That
course,
is a very good information.
surprising for us
Surprising
also.
actually. Wrestling champion 2 years
Yes,
state.
then he
and
will be too much fit also.
black belt also. मतलब सामने आएंगे तो एकदम उड़ जाएगा कोई भी actually.
Exactly.
That was outstanding, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, on this, you know, platform only we got to know a lot more things of, you know,
yes.
different actors. That
Right.
is the true
Good
thing, actually beneficial
for
thing,
us
you know, for
also,
us.
it's very beneficial, and also a lot of the people who didn't knew about this all things, so while
they
we
also
are
got
reading
to
the
know.
comments, they also get to know this all things.
That is very good actually, and yeah, our respect level is getting increased actually. So he's super talented, and also one more talent add on. So yeah, thank you so much for the information and for commenting and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.